Good morning, students. From today onwards, we are going to revise the chapters that we have done through WhatsApp groups, and I have decided to start the revision from the very first chapter, which is the last lesson. As you can see the brief summary of this chapter before you, so please listen this audio quietly and properly so that you can get this chapter more clear. Let's start doing the revision. In the first few lines, the writer has been written that we should have deep respect for our language that we usually have. For example, our mother tongue is Hindi and we usually use Hindi to talk to someone, but in this chapter everybody use French language to talk to each other. French is their mother tongue, French is their language. So Mr. Hamel is now teaching to the students to pay the respect to the French language so that they can use it properly. In the next paragraph, the author has told us the condition of the French student. Mr. Hamel was a teacher of French language, but now he was going to leave the school because an order has come from Berlin that from tomorrow onwards the German would be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. But French was one of the students of Mr. Hamel who did not like Mr. Hamel at all, because Mr. Hamel was a very strict teacher. So at that time, one day Franz got late for the school and he is scared to go to the school because Mr. Hamel gave him the work of participles, gave him the rules of participle to learn, but Franz did not know even a single word of participle. That's why he was late for the school, and he was very much afraid of Mr. Hamel, that Mr. Hamel would give him the punishment. At that time when he was going for the school, he was late for the school, so that's why he was running to reach his school as soon as possible. He could see everything on his way to the school, but still his main aim was to reach the school as soon as possible because he did not want to take the punishment from the Mr. Hamel. After some time, when he passes through the town hall, in the third paragraph you can see, he sees the huge crowd near the bulletin board. Bulletin board means the notice board on which all the upcoming news had been pasted. He did not stop there because he was getting late for the school. He was in hurry. He wanted to reach school. He did not stop there, and he sees the Prussian soldiers drilling the resist. On reaching, he sees everything and he noticed everything on his way to school, but he did not pay any attention to any of the school as he was getting late for the school. And what changes did he see after reaching the school? He saw so many things there. On reaching the school, he saw that the school is like Sunday morning. It was still quiet and silent, but still he did not pay any attention on that. On Sundays, as you can see, the school, there is no hustle bustle in the school, no noise in the school. At that day, the school was the same. There was no noise in the school. So instead of noisy classroom, everything was quite like the Sunday morning. All students were already there in the classroom, and when he reached his class, he thought that Mr. Hamel would give me the punishment, but he was wrong. Mr. Hamel allowed him without giving him the punishment to come in the class, to enter in the class and to sit on a seat. So he sat on his seat quietly, and when he turned around, he saw the villagers occupying the last benches like Old Hoser, former mayor. These are the names of some of the villagers who were sitting on the last decks, but still he did not care about those people. Once he thought that what the people are doing in their class, there is no work of these people in the class, but still he didn't pay any attention and he just focused in his class. Then he saw that Mr. Hamel suddenly announced the notice that was pasted on the bulletin board, that an order had come from Berlin that from German would be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine from the next day onwards. What happened after that? The French realizes that the notice was pasted on the bulletin board, but he did not read that notice, and French could not believe on that thing, that it is the last lesson of French language in their class. He repented, means he realized his mistake, that he did not pay any attention in the class when Mr. Hamel used to teach them the chapter, but now he really wanted to read something from Mr. Hamel, but it was too late for him. He realizes his mistake, and then he realizes that why the Mr. Hamel in his best uniform today, because he has been working, teaching in the same school for the last 40 years, and he usually wears this uniform, this beautiful dress on special occasions like Independence Day, Republic Day, but today is not the special day. So why the Mr. Hamel is wearing the best uniform today? Now he himself blamed for everything, like for not giving the respect to Mr. Hamill, for learning the things, for not getting the language. He was blaming himself for everything, but now it was too late for Friends also. Friends is called. Now Mr. Hamill was going to teach his last lesson in the class, and he asked Friends to recite the lesson, and he makes mistakes. But opposite to his thinking, teacher does not scold him, rather preaches that one should not waste time and postpone the things, thinking there is plenty of time. Always keep the mother tongue close to your heart, as it is the key to prison of slavery. As we always leave our work on tomorrow, that we will complete our work tomorrow, we have so much time to complete our work, but whenever we try to do that work, it becomes too late for us. That was the same situation of the Friends also. Whenever he started the work, he always thought that I have so much time to complete this work, and he got too late for that. But he was apologizing at the time, but he did not have the chance to say Mr. Hamill sorry, and he did not have the chance to apologize again. What was the atmosphere of the class? Teachers teaching sincerely, patiently, students and others studying with utmost sincerity. Means the teacher, Mr. Hamill, that what he was teaching in the class, every student was listening to Mr. Hamill very quietly and sincerely, because everybody knew this thing, that it is the last lesson of Mr. Hamill today. And you will be surprised to know that what did the Mr. Hamill teach in the class that day. Friends got each and everything taught by Mr. Hamill at that day, and then he realized that it is not the fault of Mr. Hamill who taught us the French language. It is a complete fault of ours who did not pay any attention in the class of Mr. Hamill. Mr. Hamill is the best teacher of his language. It is our fault who never focused, who never concentrated in the class. After that, what happened? Now he was assuming about the French language. Friends always afraid of going to school as he not learn the participle. He wants to enjoy the beauty of nature, the bright sunshine and everything outside the classroom. But now he really wanted to read the French language. He really wanted to learn something about that. He was focusing, he was thinking about the bulletin boards, his bad news, lost battles and everything. Now he noticed about the change in the school. Means everything was had changed for him completely, but he could not do anything at that time. He has to change his mother tongue also. He was regretting a lot that from tomorrow onwards my mother tongue would be changed. But according to Mr. Hamill, we should have deep respect in our heart for our mother tongue. But Friends was not doing that thing. Okay, what happened after that? Now every person who was sitting in the class, every student who was sitting in the class were getting emotional, because everybody loved Mr. Hamill a lot. As I have already told you that Mr. Hamill has been teaching in the same school for the last 40 years, and nobody wanted Mr. Hamill to leave the school, to go from the class and to leave the students and to leave the French language. They wanted Mr. Hamill to be with them forever, but it was not possible for them. What happened after that? There was no reason of blaming themselves actually. They got too late for that, and then after that, before going from the class, Mr. Hamill just announced in the class that you should respect your language and you should respect your mother tongue that you are having with you. And instead of moving outside from the class and thinking about the other thing, you should be complete focused and concentrated in the class so that you can learn the things properly. So according to me, the moral of this chapter must be be focused and concentrated in the class so that you can learn the things properly. While learning everything and while sitting in the class, we must be focused and concentrated. I think and I hope so that this chapter is very much clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, you can call me, text me anytime. All the best. Read this chapter thoroughly. Okay.